Alright, you get attention too. You get you some attention as well. Oh, there goes the licking machine. What, you want attention? You want attention? You want attention? I know you want attention. The licking machine does its thing. I see you. Now what? Stop interrupting my videos. Oh! A jumper. A bungee. Look, she has extendable leg. Alright. Oh, there she is. Get out. Go away. Stop being an interruption. What are you doing? Hey, where do you think you're going? No, you're not going anywhere. No. No, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You look silly. There. Much better. Hey, look. Raise my hand. If I rub her belly, what's gonna happen? Nothing. She doesn't care. Look, I'm actually rubbing her belly right now. She does not. Hey. Well, how about you go away, Mr. Shadow? Goodbye. Hey, cat. Poke, poke. I get your paw. Pull, pull. What? Look at that tail. Here. Look at that. Here. Hey, cat. Ding, ding. Bing. What are you doing? Get out. Hey. Touch, 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 touch. I knew that. He's very fluff. Very, very floof. Floof. Look at those paws. Look at those little paws. Looks like someone's getting comfortable. Boop, 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 boop. He wants attention, that's all. He just wants food and attention. Hey, hey, get back here. You. Fluffy. You are fluff. You are all fluff. You're all bone, skin, full of bones. She's the bone. He's a boner. Ah! Don't do that. Whee! You're a boning you're a boner skeleton. That's all she is, just a skeleton. So, see this? Right here is the food. It's the cat. And I walk up to it, she comes right for me. And if I were to open this, she wants it, but she can't have it because then she'll throw it up. Well, she can have it, not now. What was that? We'll tickle, not you. Yeah. Let's go check on the other one. Yeah, you just want attention. I cannot leave you alone for 1 second because you're gonna beg for attention. Well, there's the other fluff ball. Look at yourself. Yeah, cat, just look away. A cat. You like this chair? Take it. Take this chair. Yeah, you want attention. You want attention? You want attention? You do want attention. You want pets. You want eats. You want eats. You want eats. I know what you want. You want eats. So then I get to open up this cabinet. Good. Oh, there she goes. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sorry, cat. You want food? Here, come and get your food. So look, I have to use this little food to bring her. Come on, come get it. I have to use little pieces of food to get her to come over. What's the next one? Come on. Leaving trail of food for her to grab, and that's how she gets to this. Cats. Look. Out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.